After 24 hours, we can remove the clamps from our front legs. And we want to inspect the front leg blanks for any possible issues that may have been caused during the glue-up process. This could include gaps, boards that have shifted, or any other issues we might see. Using a glue scraper, we can scrape off any excess glue that has either dried underneath where the clamps were or that we may have missed during the initial glue-up process. And the edges of those boards should feel pretty smooth, even if we have some discoloration from the clamps.